So something's wrong here. The cat has taken over the dog bed. Poor Bella. Giovanni got your dog bed? Did Giovanni take your bed, Bella? What are we going to do with him? Silly kitty. Look at the... Oh, man, he is out. Poor Bella lost her bed to the kitty cat. Giovanni, we gotta talk. Bella would like her bed back. Yeah, she wants her bed back. You're laying in the dog bed. Did you know that? Did you know that you took this poor dog's bed and she wants it back? Can you do that for her? No? Look at her. She's sad because you're in her bed. Yeah. I see you looking at her. Look at that. You've got plenty of space out in the living room. Is that the I don't care look? That's the I don't care look, isn't it? Y'all two gotta work this out. Yeah. You guys gotta work this out.